Hi everyone, in this video I'll continue working on the same project that I did in tutorial 13, where we created this beautiful makeup effect with this glitter and glow. But what I'm going to do now is just make a different. I want to do something different, so I'm going to use the beast as a base, and instead of having this on the entire face, what we're going to do is have it appear only on the lips, so we have this shiny glittery lip gloss effect. So don't worry all over, we're still gonna have this reflection on the face, but we have this glitter effect and lighting effect only for this particular lips area. All right, so we are using this base. You want to know how to do this, check out the other tutorial. I'm going to link to it right now in this notification here. So just look at the top right and you can see it. So just visit this if you want to know how to do this everything by yourself. Alright, so the first thing I need to do in order to do this is first we're going to go to Photoshop, because I need to make some things before I start working them in Spark AR. So I'm actually using some asset that Facebook has provided us. One of them is an image called facemesh.png. That one is face feminine. I can also use the male one, the masculine one, but I'm going to use this one and this one to demonstrate what I'm going to do. So basically what I want to achieve is I need to create a mask so I can hide everything in the effect that I make in the material, in the entire area of the face, and just have the area of the lips visible, this area. So right now, because I only have the glowing effect and the glitter effect, which actually is visible throughout the face, I just want it to appear in this area. So to do this, I need to create a mask that will tell Spark AR which area to show. So why I actually brought those two? What I'm going to do, I'm going to use this as a reference so I can create the white area exactly where the lips are located. Now what I want to do is just, I'm going to change it just image mode RGB so I can drag it to the other one. Right now it's index color, and I want to drag it just here to this one and position it so you can actually see what I'm talking about. As you can see, this actually will match the face, and this kind of is a wireframe view, and you just position it here so you can see how the wireframe, how it fits the face of the user. So my focus is actually here, the lip area. You can see this one. So what I want to do, I want to actually select this area and create a white color shape of it, which will be the mask. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to do it quickly. You can do it more precisely and refine it, but I'm going to do it relatively quickly. I'm going to choose quickly, just go over the lip area like this. You can do this either with a pen or selection, whatever tool you find useful to do this job. So I'm just quickly selecting it. Alright, and I'm going to just select, I'm going to add a bit of feather, let's say 5 pixels. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a new layer here. What I'm going to do now is the brush. I'm going to just 100%, it's cool, and I'm just going to paint over. Oh, I did it black. Well, we're going to reverse it in a second. We need to do it in white, so I'm going to do, actually I'm going to just, sorry, to wind. I can reverse Control I to invert it, but we're going to use white color and just paint it in white. Alright, so the reason I use feather, because I want to gradually, so it is always a bit gradually in the edges. Alright, now I'm going to leave it like this. Alright, Control D, deselect. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you. Let's get a double click here. So you can see I have only this one selected in white. Let's just remove, disable the visibility of those two layers. And now we have exactly this file. This is what I need, an image with the white area around the list which is selected. This is the only thing I need. I'm going to save it and bring it into Spark AI Studio so I can continue working with this one. Alright, we're back to Spark AI Studio. I already imported the lips mask here. You can see it's already here and it's available for us in Spark AI Studio. Now let's put back to the glitter. Let's first take care of the glitter mesh. Right, we go back to materials, and as you can see here, before that, you remember I used the face mesh mask in order to make sure that the mask is covering the face, the entire face, but at this gradual thing from opaque to transparency at the edges, so it appear more, it will blend better with the skin of the user, right? So that's what I did. Now, I don't want the glitter to appear on the entire face. I just want it to appear in the lips area, So what I need is to choose another mask instead of this one, and it's the one that I actually made here. Now, as you can see, this mask that I used before, just a circle with very smooth edges. Now we're going to change this one. Go to glitter, choose instead of here, instead of face mesh, we're going to tap and choose lips mask. Now only the area of the lips will show this effect. You can see only this area. Okay, I'm showing to you soon. What I'm going to do is make it more prominent this time. So I'm just going to go to my here. I'm going to make the opacity so we can clearly see it. I'm going to put it 100 just a second, so you can clearly see the effect of the lip gloss. Make it higher anyway, because we are not just using the lips. I want to be more prominent. You see? So now, because already in the area in the image, only the white area in the image will show the effect instead of the entire face. Of course, I could create something different for the lips and keep the other effect, and maybe create different color for the lips area. There's something we could do, but for this tutorial, to keep things simple, I just wanted to show you how to do it for the lips area separately. Now, I also have the glow effect. So when I'm going to do the glow also for the lip gloss, I'm going to go to the glow, go to the material, and then oh, here actually using, you see, physically based. So what I'm going to do in the texture, instead of choosing the texture face mesh mask, I wanted to use, you know, the circular one, we're going to change it here in the texture under the shader properties. So I'm going to click here, choose lips mask. Again, what we have here is, I'm going to make it a bit, you see, change it a bit. Oh, I forgot, this right now is using the courtyard. I want to use the gray pair so it won't change the color. So I'm just going to change here to, yep, here, yeah, this one. And now I can change it so it will be glossy. Let's see. Yeah. Nice. Only the lips. Now, if you want to change it, for example, to make the lips with different color, we can change the color here. You can see. Let's say that we want to add something. What do you say? This one, pinkish. Yeah, I'm saying this one. Yeah. And look at this beautiful lip gloss effect. And you can get options for the user to change this lip gloss. And as you can see, also the lighting effect now works the same. We have this beautiful lighting effect, dynamic lighting effect on the lips. Very dynamic lip gloss. Wow, she's laughing with me. It's a beautiful effect. Let's change the color a bit so you can see how it looks with different colors. This one looks weird. She's happy with this color. A bit, maybe. Can also make it darker. Oh, this one looks really nice, right? This one looks really nice. Let's keep in mind, because it's I'm using add. If I use black, we won't see it, so we need to put lighter color. Wow, this one is beautiful. I like this one. She's happy. She likes that also. So we're gonna keep it, right? So this is how we use the same effect as before by just putting using a different mask. Wow, gorgeous lips. And of course we can also play with other parameters to get something, you know, now it's at 29 for example. I can just play with it and see, you know, just that I get something that I like. Can go there back to the glitter. The smoothness is 97. This one is too much. But if you want to be more prominent, you can do something like this. Whew, those lips. Nice. Shiny, glittery lips in Spark Air Studio. Now, in keeping the retouching effect for the entire, I don't need to actually touch it. I'm just keeping face smoothing effect as it is, and just I actually like this one. Yeah, so this is it. You can also combine it with eye color and other makeup effects. Again, I just showing as a standalone, so you can understand without having too many assets here that you can confuse you. You can also disable the lighting. If you want to disable, choose them and just remove the visibility, but you only have this beautiful dynamic lighting animation. So I can put it back, and now I have it. So there you go. I created a cool, beautiful lip gloss effect with glow, sparkles, dynamic lighting, only in the areas of the lips. Now, of course, you can do this in any area, right? So it doesn't matter. You don't. If you want to do that for the eyes area, you just create a mask for the eyes area. If you want to do any part, but actually this one fits actually the lips, so that's why I wanted to show it. You can do this for the nose, for this area, for the cheeks, and any area of the face basically. So that is, I'm going to cut right now, keep it short. So again, if you want to know how I got there, make sure you check out the other video, other tutorial, and then you can use it, this tutorial in order to make this kind of effect and have those beautiful glittery lips. Yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and tap the bell button to get notified when I release new tutorials. I'm gonna have tons of them. I have some arrangement to do, but I'm gonna go back to tutorials very, very soon and try to bring you really more cool ideas, creative ideas, and some popular ideas, and of course many things that people ask me to do. If they see me doing it or other creators doing it, they want to do it. So again, don't hesitate, ask me, and if I don't know, I'll learn it and then I do it. If I know it, of course, I'm going to create a video quickly and show it to you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye everyone.